Hi, my WCC West Coast Custom family. For all those who are new, West Coast Custom is an automobile repair shop focusing on the customization of vehicles. And to join this beautiful family, just hit that subscribe button below. So today I'll be talking about 5 things about Ryan for my new family who just joined in. He started the business with a loan from his grandfather. His favorite car is a Royce. 3. He gets car sick. I mean, you love cars, you customize car, and your weakness is that you get car sick. You can't enjoy what you customize. Okay. Number 4, he loves Disneyland. I mean, yes, I love Disneyland too. Have I ever been to Disneyland? No. Sad me. Who wants to bring me to Disneyland? Comment below. Number 5, his fans mean everything to him. You hear that, guys? His fans mean everything to him. And those are the 5 stuff about Ryan. So let's get down into business. "2020 has not been a good year so far, and we all see that. We only have a few customized cars in 2020. We have Nick. He got his Toyota customized, and we also see Ryan customize his favorite car. Comment below, let me know what you think, and how has 2020 been for you so far.